The HP Windows error code 0XC0000225 occurs when Windows is unable to locate the necessary files for booting. This error is commonly caused by corrupted boot configuration data or malware attacks. To resolve this issue, one potential solution is to perform a repair installation. Begin by shutting down the computer using the power button. Then turn it back on and immediately press the escape key to access the startup menu. From there, select the F10 option to enter the BIOS setup, and navigate to the system configuration using the right arrow key. In the Boot Options section, disable Secure Boot and prioritize the USB diskette or USB hard disk option in the boot order. Save the changes and exit the BIOS setup by pressing F10 and confirming with the Yes option. Next, shut down the computer, insert a bootable USB, and restart. Immediately press the Escape button to load the startup menu. Then select the F9 option and choose the USB hard drive option from the Boot Options page. Click the Repair button, select the Startup Repair option, and allow the repair process to run its course. Finally, remove the USB and restart the computer to see if the error has been resolved.